Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the one topic, that is the currencies, and currencies we are talking about the dependency and dependency. We are talking about the ideas. Ideas are equal to global warming. In global warming, it's actually not a error. Basically, it's a solve. Somebody is trying to solve the problem in global warming. Basically, we are discussing about the one of the point, that is solution. In solution, basically we are discussing about the one of the point, that is 12th number point, that is the city creation. So in city creation, basically we are discussing about the topic, that is Earth planet is going to become to two break. Basically, two break means two part. Basically, it's going to divide into two parts. Basically, that was actually a very dangerous question. Basically, one person asked. Then one person told that basically, really the Earth planet basically has many parts. Basically, for example, Earth planet is divided into 11 parts, and it's moving. Somebody told this also directly. Basically, because somebody created the glacier. That's why basically. That means somebody told that they are mad basically, who created the glacier, and the people basically who are fighting war, they are also mad. They have some disease basically. So few people says that also basically. The Bollywood group basically. ये तो पागल लोग हैं, लड़ते रहते हैं. They are mad people basically. Bollywood basically, few people say that also basically. These people are mad basically, who just fights, keeps on fighting basically. Because Bollywood people say that we believe in peace basically. We are a peace group basically. Whatever Shanti group says basically, that only basically we believe. Shanti group means peace group basically. Shanti basically, that is Hindi language basically. And Gujarati also this is called Shanti. So what people basically told that basically, we are looking, you means we are fighting there, means we are mad basically. You are telling that we are mad people. Bollywood groups are telling like this basically. The war group basically, you are doing the war basically, they are mad basically. Like this, one of the Bollywood group basically given the statement basically. And Bollywood group, everybody knows that basically where they are staying. In front of the world basically, they are staying in Mumbai basically. But real people, they are not staying in the Mumbai basically. So one of the person told that basically, the Earth planet is divided into 11 parts. And this was very dangerous statement actually. After this basically, 11 country basically started war basically. There is some problem basically, they go tracked basically actually. But still basically India is telling that we will go in peace side, peace side, peace side, peace side. Now one of the person told that India basically is in this part. 11 part is actually, this is Earth planet, and Earth planet is divided into 11 part. One side, two side, three side, four side, five side. India is here. So whole world basically decided, we will do one thing, we will separate India in separate side basically, and we will move basically forward. Like this also statement one person basically given. So India basically is moving alone basically. This also somebody told. So this is possible. Somebody know that basically. That's why basically the war started. This thing basically, which just now I told, that somebody knows that basically Earth planet must be divided in, might be divided means it's broken in, it's actually broken in 11 part basically. 11 basically is just number basically. Number can be anything basically, it might be 100 also. And mostly this also basically lots of people knows. Politician people 100% knows that Earth planet basically is divided. Divided means it's totally different parts basically. That each and every land basically have different parts basically. It's just joined with some energy basically. Some energy basically has joined that Earth planet basically. So Earth planet basically has divided into, assume that basically it's a 11 number basically. Here basically number can be 100 also basically. So assume that basically Earth planet is divided into 11 parts. Assume, just taking as an example. In really basically it's not basically like that. And India basically, assume that basically Asian country basically is in one part basically. So person basically was handling the entire earth planet. Sometimes basically India gives problems to certain groups. Basically they literally basically take India part, separate that India part, and for certain time basically they takes the India land from the entire earth planet basically. That time basically sometime very big earthquakes basically comes, sometime basically the big tsunami comes. Just now basically in Chennai basically the tsunami came. These all are basically the reason basically behind the tsunami. So somebody told that basically we will do one thing, we will separate the India land into different area for just for 1 or 2 seconds basically, not for basically otherwise basically it will creating problem basically. Why? Because our planet is moving so high speed basically, it's very difficult then to join basically. So one of the person told that we will do one thing, we will tell the world basically that earth planet is divided into, directly we will tell basically the earth planet, sorry, the entire bank industry also, and the entire finance industry also, and entire sports industry, and the entire Bollywood industry, entire political industry, and entire software industry, that earth planet is divided into 11 parts. This is story actually going on 200 people basically. This is story ongoing of 200 people basically, which still basically they have not got the medicine. That story is ongoing of 200 number. So one of the person told that, yaar, are you sure basically you are talking about this earth planet is divided into 11 parts basically, and they have they basically are they are basically moving together on the base of some certain level energy basically, you want to say that directly basically. Then one of the person told that, yes, here basically I want to tell this directly basically. And one of the person told that basically the people who are basically at the war side basically, they are not mad basically. One of the person told this also basically, they are not mad basically, who are fighting in the in the war, and first world war which was happened, they were also not mad basically. Second world war who basically done, they are also not mad basically. Lots of people says that basically, यार ये तो क्या लड़ता रहते हैं, देखो ये तो फौजी लोग, ये तो लड़ने का ही काम है इनका. They just keeps on fighting. Fauji people only are like this only basically. Bollywood group basically say this because they believe in peace basically. They are at the peace side basically. In Hindi, Gujarati, it is called Shanti group. They are in this group basically, who are basically still staying in Mumbai city. So one of the person told that basically, are you sure basically 11 basically parts are there basically of the earth planet? This was the most dangerous statement of the entire video basically. 11 is the part basically, and 11 parts basically, in 11 parts basically the earth planet is divided basically. 11 parts basically earth planet is, assume that, but is somebody told that we will do one thing, we will separate the India land basically, sorry, Asian country basically, different side basically. In Asian country basically Pakistan is there, Sri Lanka is there, that is Tamilian group. Then India basically, entire India basically, that is the UP, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Chennai, Madras, both are same basically. Hyderabad, Telangana, sorry, Hyderabad is not state basically, it's a country, it's a city. So like Telangana is there basically. Lots of people told this also basically. Asian country, we will separate the Asian country basically. So that basically the Sunil R. Nair is telling correct basically. That they want to prove that basically. That Sunil R. Nair is telling correct thing basically. To prove that basically, they told that basically we will separate the India Asian land basically, because Asian land basically is totally different land basically. We will do basically with this thing, and we will prove that basically Sunil R. Nair is telling correct. So next video basically we are going to see that basically really basically the 11 parts are there of the earth planet basically. The earth planet is divided into the 11 parts. Currently actually 200 stories ongoing, that's why.